Tonight, the city of Geneva is also just weeks away from wrapping up the major portion of the new park downtown. Mayor David Hayes says majority of phase 2 is complete. The playground and pavilions have been built. Right now, they're doing landscaping. In just a few weeks, they'll install irrigation and sod. Shortly after, they'll do fencing and implement the amphitheater. The first phase finished up last summer, which included the splash pad. Mayor Hayes says the dream is coming into a reality.
The main purpose of the park was to develop downtown, gives us a larger footprint for the city, but also to bring families and children into Geneva to enjoy what we have here. Also, since we started the park, we've seen a big change in downtown. We've had new business come in. Business owners have changed the actual facade of their front stores, the store of the front, and it's working. It's a great economic development for us, and it's going to be a driver for years to come for us.
The park is also named in honor of Mayor David Hayes, which he called surprising and humbling. They plan to hold a ribbon cutting on a warm day in January, and the park is expected to be completed by March. In other